So friends, welcome to my English class academy. In new session, we are going to start with English lesson 3. In English lesson 3, we are going to study about the articles mentioned in English language. There are two kinds of articles. Indefinite article a or an, second definite article the. Indefinite articles a and shows indefiniteness and definite article the shows definiteness. Article a and the are used before nouns under some rules. When a singular countable noun is used for first time, article a or an is used before it. But when a countable noun, whether singular or plural, is used for defining the thing or refers to a thing or person that has already been referred earlier, article the is used before it. Thus, when a singular countable noun is used for first time, article a or an is used before it. But when the same noun is repeated in the same sentence or in the subsequent sentence, the article the is used before it because then it becomes the definite thing already referred to earlier. So friends, आज हम अंग्रेजी भाषा में ए एंड दी आर्टिकल का अभ्यास कर रहे हैं. सो जो चीज मैंने अंग्रेजी में आपको अभी बताई उसी का अनुवाद मैंने हिंदी में आपके सहायता होने के लिए दिया है, तो आप कृपया इसे पढ़िए, समझिए, तो आपको ए एंड दी आर्टिकल का कैसे उपयोग इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में किया जाता है ये आपको पता चल जाएगा. तो मित्रों, अब हम चलते हैं हमारे नेक्स्ट स्लाइड, स्लाइड नंबर 3 पर. Now friends, we have come in English lesson 3, slide number 3. Here are some examples about the a and the articles mentioned earlier in English language uh, session or in earlier slide. Refer the following examples sentences to get clarity about the articles mentioned above. I have example number 1. I have a book. The book is very informative. मेरे पास एक किताब है, वह किताब बहुत जानकारीपूर्ण है. I have a book though the book is not informative. As in these two sentences, in first sentence a article is used here, but after in second sentences the article is used in the sentences. So you will find the difference. What is the difference between a and the article which are used in English language? Sentence number 3, there was a house and the house was very large. In first sentence it's mentioning there was a house, there was a house, but in the next sentence the definiteness is proved here. The definiteness is proved here, that is it was a very large one, that's why the article is used here. In chart, this in the below chart we have given singular indefinite noun means a or an, singular oblique plural definite noun means the, which are used in English language before noun in, as per the some rules mentioned in the English language. Now we move to further forms of indefinite article. Indefinite article has two forms, a and an. Which one of these two forms will be used before a certain noun depends upon the spelling, sound or pronunciation of the noun under references. तो मित्रों, अनिश्चितकालीन अनुच्छेद के दो रूप है ए और एन. किसी विशेष संज्ञा के पहले इन दोनों रूपों में से किसका प्रयोग किया जाएगा यह संदर्भाधीन संज्ञा की वर्तनी, ध्वनि या उच्चारण पर निर्भर करता है. तो हम विल मूव टू नाउ और नेक्स्ट स्लाइड, स्लाइड नंबर 4. Now friends, coming to English lesson 3, slide 4, forms of indefinite article. Indefinite article has two forms, a and an. Which one of these two forms will be used before the certain noun depends upon spelling, sound, pronunciation of the noun under references. अनिश्चितकालीन अनुच्छेद के दो रूप है ए और एन किसी विशेष संज्ञा के पहले इन दोनों रूपों में से किसी का प्रयोग किया जाएगा यह संदर्भाधीन संज्ञा की वर्तनी ध्वनि या उच्चारण पर निर्भर करता है द फॉलोइंग आर द रूल्स फॉर ए एंड एन नंबर वन article a is used before nouns of which the spellings begin with consonants examples a boy a table a house a book here in word boy in a word table in a word house in a book b t h b letters are starts with as a consonant. That's why a article is used here. Now moving to point number two, article a is also used before words which begin with vowel but are pronounced as with a consonant. That means even though word starts with a uh, vowel but pronounced with the consonant, pronounced with as a consonant. Examples are a European, a unique chance, a 1 rupee note, a universal truth. So here, even though in European E, unique chance U, 1 rupee note O, universal truth U. Even though these are the vowels as per the English language, but A is used since the European unique one or universal pronounced with as a consonant here. That's why A is used here. Such words are a university, a utensils, a uniform, a union, a unity, a unit, a united, and a useful. So friend, here is a note. You will see that all these words begin with sound of Y or W, which are consonants and not with the sound of any vowel. That's why A is used here. So keep in your mind, and if you don't understand, try to read it once, twice or thrice so you will be able to. Now friends, coming to slide number 5, point number 3, article an is used before those words which begin with vowel. So earlier we studied about vowels and consonants initially in first lesson. A, E, I, O, U are called vowels in English language where 26 letters are there. Remaining 21 letters are said to be consonants. So here examples an enemy, an ox, an inkpot, an umbrella, an ass. Now, point number 4. Article an is used before those words which begin with silent oblique mute h. उन शब्दों से पहले आर्टिकल एन का प्रयोग किया जाता है जो साइलेंट या म्यूट एच से शुरू होता है Examples an R, an honorable, an honest person. Such other words are hair, an heiress, an heirloom, an honest, an honesty, an honorary, an honor, an R, an hourly. These are the words where an is used before its noun. Friends, here is a note. Earlier, humble, humility, hotel, hostel, hospital were also supposed to be begin with silent H. An article an was used before them, but now these words are pronounced with consonant, such consonant sound of H Therefore, article A is used before them. So friends, please keep in mind these small differences about the vowels and consonants mentioned here so that you will be able to understand how to use a or an articles in English language along with in sentences. So now we move to our next slide, slide number 6. Now friends, coming to slide number 6, English lesson 3, which is the last slide of this session. Point number 5. Some abbreviations are there which are pronounced with a vowel sound and therefore article an is used before them. For example, the examples are given below. Examples: an MA, an MP, an MLI, an FIR, an SDO, and an RTO. Note, if the above noted abbreviations are used in their full form, then the noun takes a article A. Example: in above examples where an MA is mentioned, the same when we uh, take the full abbreviations of MA, a Master of Art. Here A is used. A Member of Parliament. A is A article is used here. Whereas when we use these abbreviations in short form, the an article will be applicable here. Like, for example, like a member of parliament, in bracket we have given an MP, a master of arts, an MA. So these are the very small differences are there. We have to keep in mind when we learn English language perfectly and in day-to-day life. So hi, so we hope today you must have enjoyed this English lesson 3 about the articles mentioned in English language A and the. So friends, try to read it once, twice, thrice so you will be able to understand exactly and correctly how to use how a and the article are used in English language. So we meet in our next session tomorrow. Thank you all. Friends, here is a sincere request to you all. If you like it, press like button. If you like this educational channel, please subscribe it to receive everyday video. And also we request you to share these videos to your nearer and dearer one, family, friends, and your colleagues. We hope you are enjoying these videos with correct way of learning English language. Thank you all. Please like the hit button. Once again, request you to subscribe and share it with all. Thank you. Thank you all.